Some of my friends have been asking what I would typically buy at the grocery store if I'm trying to lose weight or kickstart a healthy eating routine. I'm going to be taking you guys with me to Trader Joe's. I'll show you item by item what I bought, why it's healthy for you, and how you can incorporate them into your recipes. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Now that we're back from Trader Joe's, I'm going to show you guys each of my groceries. I'll explain why these items are healthy and why I chose them. This bag is full of fresh produce that's gonna go in your fridge. So the first thing I got was these sliced white mushrooms. Tomatoes on the vine. I love tomatoes. I grew up eating them. Really healthy for you, especially when they're cooked because the heat releases the lycopene in the tomatoes, which is really good for your skin and your overall health. I'll pick out one staple leafy vegetable. I would normally pick up something like this, any kind of darker leafy green as your staple vegetable. I kind of went a totally different direction and just got a whole cabbage. I like to pick one veggie that catches my eye. This week, these baby cauliflowers caught my eye. I'm gonna try incorporating them into some of my recipes this week. I feel like this is such a springtime ingredient. Not that it's spring yet, but actually, is it spring? I don't know. Onion's another healthy and versatile ingredient that you can use in your omelets, your stir fries, your pastas, and your salads. A bag of lemons. If you're trying to do a really concentrated health re-cleanse this week, I would recommend trying to drink warm water with them every morning when you wake up. Then I also picked up kombucha, the multi-green flavor. What can I say? I'm from LA. So find one without too many added sugars. I typically just pick up 1 or 2 bottles when I go. Kefir, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. For those of you who don't drink a lot of milk or dairy, you're gonna get some good calcium and vitamin D through this. Kefir is not expensive. This can probably last you throughout the whole week. It's really convenient when you're having a busier week, but still want to stay healthy. So moving on to the pantry goods or the dry goods, I picked up oat milk. Almond milk is slightly healthier, but taste-wise, I prefer oat milk. I used to drink it every day at my office, which is why I think I gained a lot of weight, so that I don't do that anymore. I just use this occasionally now. I also picked up 2 bananas. Bananas are like 17 cents each, so you're really getting a lot of bang for your buck because bananas are super healthy and they have a lot of potassium that you normally wouldn't get from a lot of other foods. And it's obvious that bananas are really good for diets. You can also freeze them and use them in your smoothies or eat them as a frozen snack. Every once in a while, I'll pick up salsa. This one is a fire roasted tomato salsa with no salt added. It's really flavorful, not expensive, and it's super low calorie. A serving of this is only 10 calories. So even if you were to eat this entire can of salsa, which I don't think anyone would do, that would only be 150 calories. I'll throw some salsa into my stir fries, or I'll use them as a pasta dressing. I can't cut instant noodles out of my diet completely for now, but I did pick up some healthier instant noodle alternatives at Trader Joe's. I love my instant ramen. This is a realistic grocery store haul, so I did pick up 2 instant ramens. The chicken prototype that I normally eat are 500 calories a packet, significantly more than the ones at Trader Joe's. I didn't pick up any spices because I have a ton, but I did pick up clarified butter. I don't know how to pronounce that. Clarified butter. You can also use this as a baking substitute for butter, so I would check that out if you're into baking. My most staple ingredient, if I'm trying to have a healthy week, is eggs. Oh my god, eggs are a must-have ingredient. Eggs are actually a really versatile ingredient. Uses for a carton of eggs like this, omelets, cracking an egg into my ramen or soup recipes. Hard-boiled eggs are really good. Throw them into your salad, pasta salads, or garden salad. No grocery trip is complete unless I have eggs. I need to have eggs in my fridge at all times. Okay, do we see that I'm obsessed with eggs? Yeah, I'm obsessed with eggs. They are the best. Last part of my haul here is going to be the frozen foods that I picked up. When I was in college, I had a Trader Joe's super close to my college campus. One of the downsides about New York is that there's only 3 Trader Joe's in all of Manhattan, which is not okay. There needs to be more. Anyway, that's why I have a lot of frozen foods. Veggies are frozen at their optimal nutritional state. Sorry, I'm really not like a bio major, so I don't really know what I'm talking about, but I did do some research. They can retain a lot of the nutrients in the vegetable. Okay, so this is another staple in my diet. I am lazy, so I love this frozen corn from Trader Joe's. Since corn is so tiny, it only takes 3 seconds to defrost. Such a go-to ingredient for me all of college. Corn's honestly not the healthiest thing for you. Our whole food industry is actually powered by corn. All the animals that we eat are fed corn. I'm just over here eating corn. I typically put corn in stir fries, pastas, or soups / ramen. You pasta and gnocchi lovers out there, this is not a bad alternative for gnocchi, especially as you get used to it. Literally made out of cauliflower. So, to kickstart my diet and health routine this week, I've been making a lot of smoothies and kept putting off my grocery shopping, which you can witness in this vlog up here of my week in New York. Now that I finally went grocery shopping, I made sure to stock up on my smoothie ingredients so I can start making smoothies again for breakfast every morning. Peach slices, wild blueberries, and raspberries. Then I also picked up just grilled chicken strips. No cook time required. I think they're lightly salted, so really no prep. A pack like this is gonna be around $6, which I don't think it's the most cost effective considering that this isn't organic chicken, but it's still healthy. It's still chicken breast mainly. So definitely if you like chicken and you're a lazy cook, I would recommend checking out this product. This also totally saved my life throughout college. I love to eat this with ramen, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking ramen now because I feel like I've brought it up for every single ingredient and it is not healthy. Like, that is not the vibe that we're trying to go for here. So that brings me to the end of my grocery haul. I've shown you guys all the items that I typically buy when I'm going to Trader Joe's. So, are we ready to get cooking? First up is this cauliflower gnocchi faux pasta recipe with chicken, tomato, and corn. We have our instant ramen cooked with mushroom, cauliflower, corn, and an egg. Here's one of my go-to breakfast smoothies. It's mainly blueberries and oat milk, and you can throw in whatever other smoothie ingredients you have at home. It's a veggie stir fry. It's cauliflower, onion, mushroom, and cabbage. Late night snack instead of Mickey D's, kefir with frozen blueberries and raspberries. This is a veggie omelet with tomato, onion, and mushroom. The texture kind of looks like a moon crater, but I promise it tasted good. And my must-have, just everyday, anytime, coffee with oat milk. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see y'all next Friday.